Imagine setting your drink on a table and realizing you need a coaster. Don't worry, let's make DIY coasters using simple materials. Coasters protect your furniture and add a decorative touch to your home. Start by gathering your materials: cork sheets, fabric scraps, or decorative paper, scissors, a ruler, Mod Podge or craft glue, and a brush. First, measure and cut the cork sheet into 4 by 4 inch squares or 4-inch circles. Use scissors or a craft knife for precise cuts. Next, measure and cut the fabric or decorative paper to match the cork pieces. Choose designs that complement your home decor for a cohesive look. Now, apply a thin layer of Mod Podge or craft glue to the cork piece with a brush. Carefully place the fabric or paper on top, smoothing out any wrinkles or bubbles. To seal and protect your coaster, apply an additional layer of Mod Podge or glue over the fabric or paper. Ensure even coverage and let it dry completely. For a personalized touch, add decorative elements like ribbons, beads, or painted edges. You can also personalize your coasters with initials or patterns. Once dry, your coaster is ready to use. Place it under your drink and admire your handiwork. Enjoy the simplicity and creativity of this project and the added benefit of having personalized, reusable coasters at home.